Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about fission of covalent bond. So first of all, what is covalent bond? Bond formed by mutual sharing of electron. Bond formed by mutual sharing of electron. Let's take example of this compound. Here a single bond is formed by electronic distribution between these atoms. Here single electron is there and there, so that single bond is formed. Now breaking of bond. How the bond can be broken? It is of two types. First one is heterolytic cleavage and second one is homolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage means unequal distribution of electron. Electron moves in one direction. That is there is unequal distribution of electron. Here electron movement shown is only in one direction. So resulting product become, here B become negative charge due to acceptance of electron and A become positive charge due to loss of electron. So what is this called? Negatively charged species is called carbanion and positively charged species is known as carbocation. And second one is homolytic cleavage. Bond formed by homolytic cleavage means electron distribution takes place in both equal distribution of electron. Here electron move in both direction and formed by equal participation. So the resulting product become B radical and A radical. Free radical is formed here. Free radical means odd pair of electron. It is also known as unpaired electron. Now moving to the next. What is carbocation? Carbocation formed by losing of electron. It is positively charged species. It is sp2 hybridized atom that is planar in structure. Means carbocation is formed by losing of electron. Here electron loses and it becomes positively charged. And what is the structure? It is sp2 hybridized atom that is planar in structure. It is highly unstable and reactive in nature. Means it is very reactive and unstable. Now moving to the next structure of carbocation. It contains 6 electrons in carbon atom. We take example of methyl carbocation. The structure is this: one hydrogen below the plane and other hydrogen approaching towards the plane and another hydrogen in the plane. This is trigonal planar in structure and it is sp2 hybridized in nature. The bond formed between two hydrogen is 120 degree and here the orbital is perpendicular to the plane. It contains no electron and it is trigonal planar in structure. just like this. And here orbital shown is on upper side and below side. Now what is the stability of carbocation? Tertiary is more stable than secondary than primary carbocation. Tertiary is more stable than secondary than primary. You will have to learn this. Now, what is carbon ion? Carbon ion are formed by gaining of electron. It is formed by heterolytic cleavage. Here, electron move in one direction and it carry negative charge, and resulting the compound is carbon ion. And carbon ion are negative charge. It is also carbon ion are formed by gaining of electron. It carries negative charge. It is also unstable in nature and reactive in nature. Now, what is the structure of carbon ion? Here 3 hydrogen are present. One is above the plane and second is below the plane and third is in the plane, and one lone pair is attached on upper side. And this structure 3 hydrogen, if we take this structure, it form a pyramidal structure like, and it is sp3 hybridized in nature, containing 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Now what is the stability of carbon ion? Primary, it is opposite of just like carbocation, where in carbocation tertiary is more stable than secondary than primary, and in carbon ion it is opposite. Primary is more stable than secondary than tertiary carbon ion. Now look at this free radical. Free radical formed by homolytic cleavage. Homolytic cleavage by equal distribution of electron. Electron moves in both direction and it result to odd pair of electron in both the species, and it also has unpaired electron. So what is free radical? It is formed by homolytic cleavage. It contains odd or unpaired electron. It is highly reactive in nature. It is highly reactive in nature, just like carbocation and carbon ion. It is also classified as primary, secondary, tertiary. Now here the stability of free radical is primary is least stable, then secondary, then tertiary. Like carbocation, tertiary free radical is more reactive than secondary than primary. What is nucleophile? Now moving towards nucleus loving in nature, negatively charged species attracted toward nucleus. Negatively charged species attracted toward nucleus. Example of nucleophiles are negatively charged means hydroxyl ion, chlorine, bromine, iodine, cyanides, cobalt are also called, or all are nucleophile. These behave as nucleophile. Now next, what is electrophile? Electrophile means electron deficient in nature, electron loving species. It is already deficient species, so it want to accept electron for stability. So it is electron deficient in nature, and it is known as electron loving species because of electron deficient nature. It want to accept electron. Example are BF3, AlCl3, CS3 positive. These are our electron deficient. For stability, it wants electron. And positively charged cation. So it is classified as nucleophile, electrophile. Thank you so much for watching.